It's our last full day here in Ho Chi Minh. And today, mag-walking tour kami. Puntahan yung Book Street and Opera House and whatever na nasa itinerary. Nakalimutan ko na. Tapos, mag-grocery ng mga pasalubong.
Out of faith in a world that never floods without flame. Everything's burning down. One in the same. Everything is just to follow the same. Fuck up, won't change. Okay, I know that every day life's no more than.
Stop number 1 is War Remnants Museum. Nagkataon, daming tao kasi may field trip. Pero ticket per person is 40,000 VND. Naglakad lang kami actually from Edoya Hotel papunta dito. 15 minutes din or less than 15 minutes.
Stay alive and bring back another chance. Our livelihood depends on dollar bills. Work yourself to death. Life can't get better than this. Life is as good as it gets. Time to be alive. Oh, what time, oh, what time. Oh, what time to be alive. If you ain't noticed, I keep on losing focus and faith and hope. So I just keep on hoping that I'll notice some change in my emotions. It may be dopamine in my brain, so I don't keep on waking up thinking I'm going insane. I'm thinking about my options. I could wait to die with pride, or I could maybe say, bitch, suck my dick and smoke some weed and hide. And I can do a lot of things to help myself. I can't decide, bitch, look how lucky we all are to get this high. Oh, what a time to be alive.
Philippines!
Oh, what a time, oh, what a time. Oh, what a time to be alive.
Bangkulit! So habang naglalakad kami, papuntang... Saan kayo punta? Notre Dame Cathedral. Nadaanan namin yung Jollibee. Siyempre, bilang Pinoy, anong tugon? Philippines! So kahit wala naman kami balak talagang kumain pa dahil anong oras pa lang, 10:20 pa lang.
Merienda.
Siyempre, stop over. Para tikman kung ano bang lasa ng Jollibee dito sa Vietnam. Spaghetti and chicken. Plus Sunday work. Jollibee Tastes sa Saigon. Hati lang kami sa isang meal kasi kakakain lang. So, let's check. Mas masarap ba dito or sa Pinas? Dito Dokimos. Ha?
Dito documents. Dito masarap dito. Ikaw muna.
Ay, by the way, wala silang gravy dito. Kahit chop lang.
Pepsi.
Manok. Same lang. Same lang.
Same lang.
Manok.
Lasang Jollibee.
Spaghetti. Kain.
Ang lasa. Lasa spaghetti.
May pagkaasim.
Ang hindi Pilipino.
Tignan mo kung tama ako.
Diba?
May pagkaasim. Unlike
Medyo
sa atin.
malapit pero hindi Jollibee. PH na
Balak ko lang magsulat to send a letter from me to me from Saigon to PH. Got this for 50,000 dong.
Anong bag nakita mo last time? Tagal. So,
Ano?
pa. Happy sana. And then, Paris. 17.
Parang cotton yung loob. Yung in-order namin, may yung 78,000 dong. May beef, may sausage, may egg, may pate. So, ang siste is, ikaw na mag-gimpla ng sarili mong bali. O maglagay ng sarili mong stock. Tapos, kainin mo. Bye! Bye guys! Ayun na, masaya ba ako? I don't know. Look at us.
Wala naman. Yung galaway lang, ganyan lang. No, yun sa spaghetti. Pang-Italian.
Red siya, hindi kasi white sauce.
Sarap na.
Hola! It's her departure day actually, pero 9:50 p.m. pa yung flight namin. So, punta muna kami sa kung ano pang pwedeng puntahan. And then, tsaka kami aalis. We plan to leave mga 4:30, 3:30 since 9 p.m. pa naman. So, yun. Ring. Hola. Akala namin hindi namin mahanap yung mono booth. So, Mono Booth is yung vintage photo booth dito sa Saigon. Follow nyo yung TikTok nila actually para mahanap nyo yung way. Pero dito sa old apartment building, sa 42 Tan, yep. Diretso lang kayo sa alleyway and then second floor. Marami pang shops. This one. Second floor sa taas po. Sa taas pa. Akyat pa lang isa. Sige lang. Brian Universe.
May extra 20 pala ng gano'n. 30.
Pesos.
Sino daw may 30? Lalabas na ako. Para kung ano sa Papilis ko ba alam ko sa nanginginig yan pa.
Thank you. Aww. Ganda na mo. Ay, grabe. Oo, tagal lang.
I-orderan ako ng isa bago ko ating ganun. Matcha. Pero mas matcha ata ito. Pwede rin mo. Basta ano siya, pag nangingit namin. Chill.
Ito lang.
Nagsasawa na ako sa bit lang.